Welcome to our channel One Step, where we post tutorial videos. Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can fix your profile views on TikTok. So let's say in your case you're not getting to see your profile views, and profile view basically means that it shows you the number of people and the account of people who just viewed your profile. That is what profile view is. And let me show you guys how you guys can fix this problem if you don't have this option. And before I show you the step, if you guys are new to our channel One Step, hit the subscribe to our channel. Let's move on. So in order to fix profile views on TikTok, first you need to check if your profile view is on or not. Sometimes people just have their profile views turned off and they don't get to see this and they think it's like, a problem with them, but it's not. It's actually like the setting is off. So how you guys can turn it on is first you want to click on profile at the bottom right of your screen. Once you click on profile, click on the three line at the top right of your screen. Once you click on it, go on versus settings and privacy. And once you're inside settings and privacy, the option called privacy, you want to click on it. It's the second option if you're searching for it. And inside here, just scroll all the way down until you see the second last option where it says profile views. You just have to click on it and make sure it's on. And once you do that, just go back, and once you're in your profile again, at the top right corner, right beside the three line, you should be able to see your profile view. So you can click on it and it's going to show you your profile view, and it gets resetted every 30 days. So just keep that in mind, because if there is no one over here, then basically no one viewed your profile in the last 30 days. And if you are not getting the setting to turn on your profile views, then just update your TikTok. Sometimes due to lack of update as well, it causes this problem, and this feature is available in the latest version of TikTok. And the other thing you can do is report the problem. So just click on the three line again at the top right, click on settings and privacy, scroll to the bottom until you see report a problem, and just click on report a problem. Once you're over here, scroll all the way down and click on submit to report again, because we want to submit a report, and you want to write this: I am not able to see my profile views, help me fix it. Click on submit. Once you do that, TikTok staff will view it and they'll help you fix your problem. So that's how we guys can fix profile views on TikTok. Hit the subscribe to our channel One Step. I'll see you guys next time.